Good morning guys. So today we are heading for a waterfall trek from Nature's Nest. That's our ride. And last night herping was good. Less snakes, more frogs, and then some moths. So again we are heading out today for the waterfall trek. Let's see what we can find there. So guys, just to let you know, everybody usually they take everybody on safari in these Thars. There is a morning safari also, then there is a night safari also. Night safari is for animals, this is for waterfall. So whenever you are coming to Nature's Nest, this is what you should expect. And again we are going with Vittal, our guide. So we are going to hop in and continue the ride today. Aapka naam kya hai, sir? Nanu. So he is our expert today, Nanu. Nanu is going to take us to the waterfall. Chaliye. So guys, today we are going to Assodem waterfall, which is I think around 10 kilometers of drive in their jeep, which I showed you, and then 1.5 kilometer to 2 kilometer of walking inside, and that is where our lovely waterfall is. The weather is absolutely overcast. We have got clouds all around. In fact, the hills which I see in the background, there are a lot of clouds over there. So and we found a stock-built kingfisher along the way. Now let me just show you this village. And because it's a monsoon time, everything is different shades of green. From the rich, I don't know, for the loss of words, from the rich hues of green to the rich hues of dark green and bottle green. Beautiful coloration all around. And obviously plenty of butterflies, which is expected at this time, and few birds. So whatever we find is pretty much chance only at this time of the year, but they are still there. Anyways, this is the parking area for this waterfall. And let's continue ahead. Right, this is the start of our trek to the waterfall, and we will continue. So I have got 100-400 only right now on my camera, because Vittal is saying we may get birds also here, but I'm carrying the full kit just in case. You know, we have some macro options also. So I have only one camera body, so I may shift in between. That's the best we can do. Alright, 1.5 kilometers of this beautiful trek. Let's hope for the best. So we have seen 3 different butterflies. Glad eye, then blue oak leaf, and then one more. Then we have seen orchids, plenty of orchids there. That's something else flying over there. So this is pretty much what the entire trail is about. Guys, very interesting trail. Certainly not for the very faint hearted, especially in monsoon. We are right in the middle of a jungle, that Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary. Wow. Alright guys, we are almost near the stream and then near the waterfall. Are we there, Vittal? और आगे जाना है यहाँ से? आगे जाना है. Okay, lovely. Footprints of what? So while he is busy in figuring out the footprints, this is a lovely stream that we have here. Now we need to cross this. Our naturalist is busy documenting the footprint and the pawn prints. There are plenty of them actually. So there are wild dogs here already. So it could be that only. Dhole, right?
Yeah.
Dhole. Dhole or Dole.
So this is our state tree of Goa, crocodile bark tree.
Crocodile bark tree. Interesting. Because it resembles the. Okay. बराबर. But is this tree इसी side का endemic है या you find it other places also? You are not sure. But this is state tree of Goa. Wow. And looks like, guys, we are almost near to the waterfall. I can hear loud noise now, and the flow of river also seems a little fast here. So as I was saying, yes, last night it rained really very hard, like cats and dogs. So a lot of stones, pebbles, everything has become loose. We are also walking slowly only. Crab, okay. Oh. So there in the background, if you see, that's the waterfall we are trying to go to. Let me reach there and connect again. Wow, guys, wow. And look at our lovely people here. Look, absolutely pristine surrounding, and then you have this. When will we learn? When will we learn? Anyways, I'm not gonna spoil my mood now. I'll just enjoy the waterfall. Wow. Let's look at that, guys. Now I'm gonna attempt some waterfall photography. My first time. Let's see how successful or not successful I am. So here we go. Guys, as you can see, Coming here is interesting. Let me catch my breath and then we'll continue. Our naturalist is busy collecting kachra. They have kind of created a dustbin here. Can you imagine a dustbin at this place? People should have been carrying their own kachra with them or their own garbage with them. But look at it. And this fellow, he is the one collecting all this garbage now and putting it here. How disappointing it is. So guys, whatever I am trying to do, every photo is getting overexposed. There is too much light over here right now. So I am not able to get that, that smooth effect. Obviously this is the first time I am trying this, so I am not expert in this. But I reduce the ISO, I increase the f-stops, rather decrease the f-stop, whatever you call it. And I started all the permutation combinations, but overexposed. Everything is getting overexposed. Set my ISO at the lowest. Now some clouds are coming. Maybe there's some darkness comes over here. It comes under the shade. I will try once again. Otherwise, my waterfall experiment is done for today. Now we will head back from here. So, alright friends, we are done with the waterfall here. Heading back now. I'll try to get some water life, for you guys. Whatever small fishes or crustaceans we can find. So waterfall photography was a bust. I need to practice definitely more for this. But other than that, we saw yellow bulbuls. Tried our best to click them or even video record them, but couldn't. So now heading back, and it's gonna be another good journey back. And we'll keep you, and we will continue with this journey. Guys, we have a blue clawed crab here in front of us, and it has just gone hidden behind that leaf. And now we'll try to approach it. Let's see if we are successful or not. And that crab has killed, I think, a glowworm just behind this brown leaf. There guys. What is it called? Purple?
Purple crab.
Purple crab. Wow. Beautiful. Alright guys, we're just gonna leave it. So guys, we have a Malabar Trogon here in those trees. Trying our best to get it. Let's see what we can do. Alright guys, so we are back to the start of this waterfall trek, and we managed to see Malabar Trogon. We managed to see hard-spotted woodpecker. Very skittish fellow, did not give one single shot also, but I did see them finally. My lifer is done today. Malabar Trogon, we managed to get a 10-second clip also. All thanks to our friend Vittal here. If he would have not heard the call and identified the call, pretty sure I would have not seen Malabar Trogon today. And then, whenever I would have seen next, I would have seen, because in monsoon finding Malabar Trogon in this forest is little difficult as compared to the winter time. So all thanks to our friend Vittal. Very important for you guys to always have a guide with you, a knowledgeable guide. So besides that, we also saw a leaf bird. Dark photograph I've got, I don't know what it is, we'll have to check. We also saw some grey color birds, small. So basically 5-6 different types of birds we did manage to see. Obviously Malabar Trogon being the highlight. We managed to get few shots. Everything is a distant shot, but we did manage to get them also. And just when we were about to come to the parking lot, it started raining. So anyways, thank you so much for being with us on this trip. I'm really wet, and this is not because of the rain, it's just the sweat and the fog. So thank you so much. I'll see you next time at the next adventure. Till then, bye bye, see you, take care.